Within the Gada system, there is a thanksgiving ceremony known as Irrecha. Irrecha is a thanksgiving religious ceremony conducted either at riverside, lakeside, or on top of mountains. The Irrecha ceremony is held nationally in September every year at Horarsadi in Bishoftu town. In this festival, millions of attendants and participants from all over Oromia, led by Abagadas, hold wet grass, chokorsa, and ada or hada daisies and march to the lakeside of Horarsadi. When they arrive at the lakeside or Malka, they put the wet grass and daisies to extend their prayers and thanksgiving to Waka or Oromo Supreme God for his life-giving rains, health, and human fertility, and for helping them pass over to the bright autumn season from the dark rainy summer. For the Oromo, Waka is omnipresent and omniscient. On this occasion, women hold Sinke,